Hey guys, today we're going to do linear equations in one variable. This is the easy questions, so the next videos will be the medium and then the hard. So first I'll preface by talking about tricks in general in the SAT, because these problems commonly use tricks. The SAT likes to trick you a lot. It will either make you think that the problem is harder than it actually is, or trick you into doing the equation in an elongated version when you could really do a shortcut. For example, in our equation right here, we have 12x plus 32 equals 200. What is the value of 1.5x plus 4? So your instinct would be to isolate x and then plug it in for our expression 1.5x plus 4. And then you would have to subtract 32, divide by 12, and then plug it back in, multiply by 1.5, and add by 4. Now, that does work, so if you think you can do that quickly, then do that. But if you recognize the tricks that I'm about to tell you, then it will save you some time. Not a great amount of time, but any second is crucial on the SAT. So here, you would have to recognize that 12x plus 32 is, or 1.5x plus 4 is a factor of 12x plus 32. How come? If you multiply 1.5x plus 4 by 8, then you will get 12x plus 32. Specifically, if you multiply 1.5 by 8, you get 12. And if you multiply 4 by 8, you get 32. So you recognize that 1.5x plus 4 is a factor of 12x plus 32. So we know that the answer to the question, 1.5x plus 4, would also have to be the first equation divided by 8, because 12 divided by 8 is 1.5, 32 divided by 4, and divided by 8 is 4. So you would have to divide 200 by 8. So our answer to our expression would be just simply 200 divided by 8. So what's 200 divided by 8? 200 divided by 8 is 25. We did that very quickly. Simply, our answer is C. Okay, on to the next one. Our next problem does not utilize a trick. Instead, you would have to solve the normal way by isolating x. Since we did not recognize any patterns or tricks, we do it the normal way, isolating x. So we first start by subtracting 4x from both sides. So if we subtract 4x from both sides, you get 12x. Then you add 87 to both sides, and you get 96 equals 8x. Then you simply divide 8 on both sides, and you get 12 equals x. So our answer is D. On to question 3. Here, our question is, if 3 multiplied by 2x minus 9 equals 21, what is the value of x? In this problem, there is a trick that I've seen people fall for multiple times, and it is very time consuming for no reason. So the common mistake here that I would see is distributing. The SAT purposely factors this problem so that people have an instinct to distribute. There is no need to distribute the 3 over here. No need. It will waste your time, and it does not help at all. It actually does the opposite. So here, you would have to recognize that the factor of 3 and 2x minus 9, because it's factored, it actually helps you. It already helps you. Do not distribute the 3 to the 2x and negative 9. That will not help you. That will actually do the opposite. So instead, you would have to divide by 3 from both sides. So if you just divide the whole equation by 3, you get 2x minus 9 equals 7. Then all you would have to do is add 9 to both sides, and you get 2x equals 16, which leads us to x equals 8. Our answer is C. For this next equation, there is somewhat of a trick, but it's not a big trick. So don't overthink it. So what you would have to do is pay attention to what the equation is asking you. It is saying which equation has the same solution. It does not ask you what is the solution, rather it asks you which equation has the same solution. So you would have to try to make an equation that resembles the options. Now, what's common in every single equation is that 0 is on one side of the equation. So that's what you would have to try to do. Put 0 on one side of the equation to get your answer. So here, simply distribute. This is, in this case, distribution will help you. So here, 6x. So the way, and if you're asking, how do I know if distribution will help me? You check. So here, you could check. 6 will not help you on this side. So you should not leave it factored. So here, the right choice is to distribute. So 6x plus 6 equals negative 2x plus 4. Add 2x on both sides, 8x, subtract 6. Or actually, no. You have to recognize, see, I just made that mistake. You have to remember what your goal is. Your goal is to leave 0 on one side of the equation. So if I were to subtract 6 from both sides, I will be taking the 6 out and putting it on the other side of the equation. That takes away our thing. What we have to do is take out the whole expression. So we already added 2x. Now we have to subtract 4. So subtract 4 from 6 is plus 2. And then equals 0. Now look, that was very simple, very easy, very quick. And we have our answer, B. For our final problem right here, we have if 2 times a minus 6 plus a equals 12, what is the value of a? So for this one, there's also no trick. You just have to isolate a and find what it is. So here we have to, once again, distribute because we know that divided by 2 will not help us. So we distribute 2a minus 12 plus a, and we right away combine like terms. 3a minus 12 equals 12. Add 12 to both sides. 3a equals 24, and a equals 8. Very easy and very fast. So we can see here that we got everything correct. Everything is green. We got everything correct. So this was linear equations in one variable, the easy version. Next time we will do medium, and then finally hard, and then we will move on to a different topic. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them in the comments.